As you can see, we have some amazing giraffes behind us. We're here at the Henry Dooley Zoo, and this is a special edition of Giraffe Jeopardy.
This is Jeopardy!
Before we get started, let's learn about the amazing giraffes. The Giraffe camelopardalis are one of the millions of animals living in Africa. There are many different subspecies of giraffes, such as the parulata and the reticulata. Giraffes live all over the continent, but there is a high number of them in Kenya. As you see on the geographic distribution chart shown, there is a variety of subspecies. The blue area is where Kenya is located, holding the most giraffes. Giraffes live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Some giraffes, such as the Angolan, can be found in deserts. They feed on trees such as the acacia, which contain good calcium and proteins. Giraffes also eat a variety of shrubs, grass, and fruits. They intake around 75 pounds of leaves every day, with that being around 27,000 pounds per year. The giraffe's prehensile tongue is around 20 inches long and is made strong to rip and tear hard leaves with thorns. The tough lips are also prehensile and help eat food high in the trees. Giraffes obtain their food by using their long neck. The neck of a giraffe is around 6 to 7 feet long. The necks have adapted to reach leaves high in the trees. With their necks, giraffes are the tallest animals around. Altogether, giraffes can be 16 to 20 feet tall. Males use their ossicones, or horns, to playfully fight one another. The giraffe's head is relatively small, but has a useful strong jaw and mouth for chewing. Their bulging eyes help to see all around from high heights. They also have an amazing sense of smell and hearing. The long neck is what is most important to their survival. Also, the neck causes blood to travel a long loop through the body. A giraffe's heart can weigh up to 25 pounds. The patterns on giraffes are what make the different subspecies. Also, males tend to have darker coats than females. Giraffes have powerful legs and hooves, which help them to gallop and walk. Another use male giraffes use with their necks is necking. The high-intensity necking shown is when they swing their necks at each other, trying to hurt one another with their ossicones. The purpose of this fighting is to establish dominance. In giraffe groups, there are usually a few dominant males that mate with young, fertile females. When courting a female, sometimes the males will make loud coughs. The gestation of giraffes is around 400 days long. Twins can occur on rarer cases, but usually one calf is born. Baby giraffes are around 6 feet tall and can walk and run in a couple hours after birth. Other giraffe mothers group together to care for their calves. According to the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, giraffes are classified as a least concern, although 2 giraffe subspecies are endangered, the Peralta and the Rothschildi. In the last decade, there has been a considerable drop to an estimated 80,000 living giraffes. There are organizations to help these creatures, such as the Giraffe Conservation Foundation and the West African Giraffe Conservation Organization. The giraffes at the Henry Dooley Zoo live in a $1.1 million complex that resembles an African hut. The area has a total of 15,000 square feet. Along with the giraffes, there are various animals living with them, such as African penguins, crowned cranes, and ostriches. At the zoo, they have a long water moat for the giraffes and other animals to drink from. As mentioned, ostriches, crowned cranes, and African penguins live with the giraffes. The blue part is where the water moat is located. The green parts are trees. After a long game of Jeopardy, the winner is It's a tie. Cole C, Cole G, and Ben win. See you next time on Jeopardy!